Aloha, ladies and gentlemen. It is Wednesday, August 13th, 2025, 4:42 p.m. Hawaiian Standard Time. This is the ninth day of what started out is a two put, one call short strangle on FCX. It has modified into being more than that, and it modified out of good growth. So originally we had two short puts and one short call. A couple days ago, I bought 100 shares of stock to turn this naked call option into a covered call option. Because basically, this call means I'm making a legal commitment to sell 100 shares at this number at or before this time, by or before that time. So up until I had 100 shares, I technically didn't, and I sold a promise without having the collateral, and I didn't really have the desire to buy the collateral unless I had to. And by looking at the stock chart of FCX, I was starting to think, maybe I should go out and get myself some collateral in case I'm going to have to sell it. And so I did that, and then today, as I'm looking at things, I started thinking it would be good to buy another 100 shares and work on trading 200 shares. So if I have 200 shares, one thing I'm going to look at doing is selling a covered call against each 100 share. Now I know some people would not do that, and if it was not a simulated trading account, maybe I would think a lot more thoroughly through that. But also, regardless of the simulated trading account, I think that it could be okay to have a particular stock that you just use as a wheel strategy stock. It's not. It's just if you can get a capital gain by selling 100% of all the shares that you have, and then you like reopen a position, then like that's the type of stock it is, and that's the player on the team, and it kind of fulfills this unique um, position in the portfolio because it can do a lot of different things in a lot of different time frames. Very, very, versatile. And then to maximize that versatility is being able to sell all the shares uh, whenever it might be necessary. So I'm not saying that you have to have a player like that. I'm saying that it's at least wise to consider if that would benefit you. And I think that FCX meets the requirements to be a very strong player for that position on a portfolio. It's well above the $36 strike price, this 36 put. It's well above the 38 uh, strike price put, and we'll see what happens with the call. But I've already discussed that. Looking at buying 100 more shares at 42.19. I put that in because I think that is pretty much the low of today, and we'll see what happens with that. I hope you guys have a good night.